Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Nubia Neo 2. Begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, choose the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. And allow in first two pop-ups. Then wherever you want to in the other ones. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Nubia Neo. Then go back to an Android using all of those categories at the top and pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access and point it at the code. Either way, after your devices connect, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!